Sint Maarten in 4K drone footage, Ultra HD. Beautiful island landscapes UHD. Welcome to Sint Maarten, also known as Sint Maarten, a rare gem of the Caribbean, where two nations share one island. Split between the French Republic in the north and the Kingdom of the Netherlands in the south, this island blends European elegance with tropical paradise. In this immersive 4K Ultra HD drone experience, we'll take you above dazzling white sand beaches, rugged coastlines, emerald hills, luxury yachts, vibrant towns, and hidden coves. Whether you're here for virtual relaxation or travel inspiration, this is your personal window into one of the Caribbean's most scenic islands. Philipsburg and Great Bay, Dutch side. Our aerial journey begins on the Dutch side in Philipsburg, the capital of Sint Maarten. From above, the town's famous Great Bay arcs around the turquoise Caribbean Sea, framed by palm-lined boardwalks, colorful colonial buildings, and bustling duty-free shopping streets. Cruise ships dock nearby, welcoming visitors to a hub of energy and warmth, while vibrant local markets and seaside cafes offer a true taste of the island's Dutch Caribbean charm. Maho Beach and Princess Juliana Airport. Few places in the world are as thrilling to watch from above as Maho Beach, located directly beneath the landing path of planes arriving at Princess Juliana International Airport. Here, aircrafts descend just meters above the sand, an awe-inspiring spectacle for plane enthusiasts and beachgoers alike. With crystal-clear waters, oceanfront bars, and live flight tracking signs, this spot uniquely blends adrenaline and relaxation, all under the Caribbean sun. Simpson Bay Lagoon and luxury yachts. Next, we soar over Simpson Bay Lagoon, one of the largest and most protected inland lagoons in the Caribbean. Surrounded by marinas, villas, and luxury resorts, this is the epicenter of nautical life on the island. From elegant sailboats to multi-million-dollar yachts, this is where the elite come to anchor, blending natural beauty with maritime luxury. The drone reveals a mosaic of teal and navy blue as sea and sky reflect off the calm, sheltered waters. French side, Marigot and Grand Case. We now cross the invisible border to the French side, beginning with Marigot, the capital of Sint Maarten. Its streets are rich with French Caribbean architecture, colorful shutters, seaside cafes, boulangeries, and open-air markets full of tropical produce, spices, and handmade crafts. A short flight north leads us to Grand Case, a quaint fishing village transformed into a gourmet destination. From above, you'll see beachside bistros, Creole cottages, and slow-moving sailboats, all bathed in golden light. Orient Bay and Pinel Island. The drone glides across the sprawling curve of Orient Bay, often referred to as the Saint-Tropez of the Caribbean. Known for its vibrant beach clubs, water sports, and wide sandy shores, it's a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Just offshore lies Pinel Island, a pristine islet accessible by kayak or ferry. A natural sanctuary with coral reefs, shallow lagoons, and scenic hiking trails, it's a paradise within a paradise. Island interior, mountains, and coastal roads. Beyond the beaches, Sint Maarten's interior offers a rich and rugged landscape. Our drone ascends into the Pic Paradis region, the highest point on the island, offering panoramic views of both the Atlantic and Caribbean coasts. Lush green hills, winding coastal roads, and remote villages unfold below, revealing a more tranquil, untouched side of island life. Watch as herds of goats roam freely, and old stone paths connect hilltop homes to hidden beaches. Sunset and final aerials. As the Caribbean sun dips beneath the horizon, Sint Maarten glows in soft shades of gold and crimson. Final aerials showcase beachfront lights twinkling, sailboats swaying in the harbor, and gentle waves lapping at the shore. This island, split in culture, united in beauty, is a place where every view is a postcard and every moment a memory. Thank you for joining us on this aerial escape over Sint Maarten. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite part in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.